Hey y'all, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fab Buns, and we have got an unboxing, and this one is from 24s.com. It is a unicorn piece, if you will. It was only available for a short time. Barely went noticed, and when it popped up on 24s.com, I said yes ma'am. I had barely caught it in another vlogger's video of new releases and things that were coming out, and that did come out for Louis. I can't find any information much about the bag. So if you know anything about the history of this bag, which collection, when it was released, that type of information. I know it was recent, but if you have more information, feel free to educate us in the comment section below. But let's get to the unboxing, and I will tell you more about the bag as we go through. To speak on the new releases from Louis, the mini bum bag, and the Speedy 20 and the Demir Ebene. I've got, what is it, the Britain, or I've got a bag that I did an unboxing on, and I'll list that link below as well, of where I have a full zip crossbody that in Demir Ebene, and I also have the Bibi Alma. And so the Speedy 20, although I think it's adorable, I love the guitar strap. I think that that's a good fun look. I feel like the bag that I purchased in the Bibi Alma probably crossed over more into a more serious look, or I won't want to say more mature look, but it is, and to me it's just, it's not as trendy as the guitar strap makes it look. I'm gonna grab a knife real quick, I'll be right back. But that's more trendy, I feel like, the guitar strap than the traditional leather strap. So for that reason, I'm just, and there's so many goodies coming down the pike that I really just don't want to be wasteful with my money now. I have a pretty good collection going. I beat the price increase on all of my personal quota bags, and if I get time and anything, I'd love to share that part of the journey with you, as to which bags I chose for my collection and why. Of course, that's all in the unboxings. But as to why I did not purchase the mini bum bag and the Demir Ebene, is just, I had things that were too similar to them. Not to say that I won't eventually own those bags, at some point. But I feel like at this point that my closet is so stacked that I really do need to enjoy what I have for now and be choicey about the pieces that I get from this point forward, because you can get caught up in getting the every other bag. I have to say, I've got this little coffee cup from something Lily. I forgot. My sister loves that brand and everything. So, and I do think it's Louis Vuitton or something like that. But anyway, just love the coffee cup. My Hermes cup is somewhere, and so in its place, I looked up and found this. Cup, and I do love it. You guys know, and if you know, you know, I love my coffee. So, 24s.com, as we all know, that know, you know, 24s.com is owned by LVMH, and they sell recently discontinued Louis Vuitton for Louis Vuitton. And so I guess they quit doing the pop-ups, unless they're just not sending me pop-ups anymore. And in that case, I feel shorted. I want to know where my pop-up is, because I ordered the box, the packaging, the Parisian packaging, which has the pop-up, and there's no pop-up. It's not been a pop-up in a while. I know I order a lot and they get tired of sending me pop-ups. But love always and forever, LV. Personalize my little note there. And this is for your return. 24s.com. Packaging is actually nicer than Louis Vuitton's. Dare I say it? Oh, please don't let Louis and Louis Loves hear me, please. I'm so sorry. I know the orange box is exciting, but to me, so is the black and white 24s. You get the paperwork and all that. 24s is in France, so all the pieces that I've gotten, I think, pretty sure were from France. In the bottom of the box, it says Merci from the bottom of our hearts. And we'll put the box over in a way out of the way, and the paperwork, customs, and all that kind of stuff. I got a lot of questions about 24s.com, because I'm not affiliated, but I do a lot of shopping with them, as far as purchasing Louis Vuitton with any kind of break. They're the only ones that I would trust. So I'm going to be unboxing and talking at the same time. It's only like 12 o'clock at night here. 12:30 or something like that, and on its face, always drop it out of the box. There's our little beauty. Got to get this stuff out of the way that's bothering me. Yeah. I want nothing but the attention on this lovely lady. Without further ado, excuse Excuse me. Let us do what we do. Sick again, people. I'm sorry. Oh, just gorgeous. Now this one's gonna hurt you. It's gonna hurt your eyes. And if you've seen the pictures of this bag online, let me tell you, the pictures don't do it justice. And I knew that it wouldn't. And we'll get into what the bag is about, what it's made of, and all that stuff just as soon as I can pull it together to finish pulling it out of the bag. Because it's just beauty. It can just sit right there. It can just pick out at me all day and all night. Okay. And I know this Speedy 20 Demira bean and the mini bum bag were made to be everything that we ever wanted. But honey, there's some things that you just want that you don't know that you want until you want them. This is one of those pieces. Now, either you love patent leather or you hate patent leather. There's really not much in between. I'm not going to butcher the name of the print / patent leather for this Pochette. It is in burgundy. That is how it's listed on 24s.com. So that's what we'll go with. But I believe it's Vernis. I don't know. Please don't let me butcher it. But anyway, to make an effort to explain, this is patent leather with Louis Vuitton prints. You've got the florets and you've got the LV imprinted or embossed into the leather. And then it is glazed with a plastic coating. A lot of people have a problem with such a fine leather being coated with plastic, and that it does tend to melt, break, crack over time. Although I've had patent leather bags that would not die. So don't let that necessarily throw you off. You want to treat them as you would any other leather. You want to take care of them, keep them properly moisturized, keep them clean, keep them, in a dry, safe space. And this bag to me is a perfect grab and go evening bag. This your Sunday bag. This is your date night bag. It is all that and then some. I love, love, love the color of this bag. It is burgundy. And you can see it can be worn as a clutch. Let's take a peek inside. There's a gold Louis Vuitton button snap closure on the front. We have a nice brown, burgundy, milk chocolatey, dark chocolatey, cotton cloth interior. We have Yes. Yes, yes, yes. They did the bill pouch in a coin purse bill pouch in the same patent leather with gold hardware. And we will put that over there. Cubby. And then it comes with a burgundy, brown burgundy leather. And this is the cowhide leather. It's not coated, it's not treated, I don't think. Or it might be treated, but it's not coated. Leather interior, matching leather interior. I think it's an 8-card slot. Just lovely. And then I go chain. That we just clasp on each D-ring on the end as such. Now my only shortcoming with this bag that I thought of is that why in the world would they put metal on patent leather? Because patent leather does tend to scratch. Of course, we always took a little Vaseline and tidied up our Mary Janes when we were little girls. Just beautiful, just beautiful. I mean, just beautiful. And so I will be more careful with this bag. I do wish that they, and I know that the gold chain is beautiful on it, but I do wish that they had done a burgundy leather strap and would kind of get away from these rinky-dink little gold chains, and I say that, but not rinky-dink really, but no, they're very beautiful chains, really they are. But with a little sundress, you can see my Lock Me Pochette, I think it is, but anyway, my Lock Me bag can cut into, the chain can cut into your shoulder, and the chain can be a little heavy. So I would like to see them go back to doing some traditional leather straps. Really would. If we can keep the necklaces around our necks for a while, that gets old. Which is why I love this piece. It's got the strap. So let's try her out. Okay. These bags are not big as a minute. The only thing that you're going to get in these fleece pochettes is a phone. And that's about it. A phone, and that's about it. This one's got a knot in it, which is fine because I usually knot mine up in the on the end to where it's a shoulder strap, so I'll show you that real quick. and then I will fix the thing. And yeah, guys, I'm sorry, I'm sick again. The weather here has been hot, cold, hot, cold. In other words, it's freezing cold inside. We do that in the South. It's freezing cold inside and hot as hell outside. Because that's how we do things. But you'll see this little LV is stamped on the clasp. That's our 24s.com tag. And I'll bring that up and show you that a little bit better here in just a moment. She is to die for. I mean, just beautiful. Just stunning. She says, hello, I'm here for the party. You do have to be careful with patent leather. It shows fingerprints real bad. If you didn't know, it does. And the patent leather around the sides here and on the trim is not imprinted. It's smooth. It's beautiful. I mean, it really is just gorgeous. And they could not have done a more beautiful color, because looking at it in the light and everything, the depth that's in it, oh, it's just stunning. It really is. I mean, this is a little piece of art, I'm telling you. But, see, to show you the inside, excuse me, to show you the inside of the bag is that round cotton canvas material with a brown Louis Vuitton imprinted patch. And as a matter of fact, it's so minimal that you can't even see anything on the patch in this bright light for sure. And I don't know if that'll show up on the camera. That to me, it really looks like a bald patch. And it does come with the the tags, and I'll walk up and bring you these in just a moment as well. And we'll get a better look and closer look at the back. You can knot it up to where it is a shoulder bag, but FYI, unless you got on long sleeves or a jacket, that can be painful. So just be careful doing that. It'll bite into your shoulder. So there we go. And I always have a hard time finding that snap. Okay. Just beautiful. So I'm gonna walk up with her. I do have a surprise on the way. Something coming down the pike. For the Louis lovers. And there are a few of these on the pre-loved market that have just hit recently. You'll want to snag these up because they really didn't do these long at all. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my God. So, guys, wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please note that you are worth it. And if you'll do me a favor, please hit like, share, and subscribe so that you'll get notified when I do one of these unboxings. Love, love, love it. So, yeah, if you'll get busy and click that notification bell, hit like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next unboxing. Like I said, I just got a message today that is very pertinent to a new release, and hopefully I answered in time. I'm gonna get on that bandwagon and we'll let you know when it gets here or it's on the way. And I am going to close out by reading you a little bit about this bag from 24s.com. As to what they say about it. And love you guys. Let's see. So if you want to skip forward to the end, that's fine. But I'm going to try to pull that up for you and see what the what it says. And evidently it is not wanting to come up. So I will list in quotations in the description box below. And I can't thank you guys enough. Love you.